If you answer me back one more time, you'll be getting a consequence.